Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to write your first web test in Apache JMeter. Let's start by renaming the test plan to testgoogle.com. Next, right-click on the test plan node and select thread group from the threads dropdown. Rename the thread group to users, then right-click on the users node and add HTTP request. Enter www.google.com in the server name text box, then add view results tree to the users node. Next, add response assertion to the users node and select response code under fields to test. Click on the add button under patterns to test and type 200. You can also add a custom failure message you want to display when the test fails. Now add the assertion results to the users node. Our test setup is now complete. To execute the test, click on the green start button. As you can see, our test passed because the received response code was 200. Now watch what happens if I change the expected response code to 201 and re-execute the test. This time our test failed because we were expecting a response code of 201, but we received a response code of 200. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.